Hi guys, I was making a thumbhole sleeve, so I thought to quickly show and explain to you how to add a thumbhole to your sleeve the easy way. Welcome back to Easy Sewing with Tyke. It's great to have you here. First thing you want to do is to go ahead and draft out your basic pencil sleeve. Now where I have that red pin is the in between palm sleeve length as I'll be indicating on the screen. Then I added 1 inch allowance for the hemming. And this right here is the sleeve length, that is the wrist length. So if we are not doing this thumbhole detail, from that top to here would have been our sleeve length. Now from the wrist length, I came down by 3 inches. This 3 inches would be the thumbhole space. That's where the thumb will be passing through. So I would not be sewing that. You might use 2 inches or 2.5 inches. You don't have to use exactly 3 inches. Afterwards, I'll go ahead and join my sleeve at the side from the top, and I'll be stopping on that waist length. Then I would sew over this remaining 2 inches. I'll be leaving this place open for the thumb to pass through. And that's it. You just need to finish up your sewing neatly. See you in the next tutorial. Happy sewing. Bye.